Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to reset start menu on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset your start menu on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open PowerShell, click on start menu, then type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. Right click on that, click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you have to copy paste all these three commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy from there. Right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste. Then hit enter. Copy the second command. Right click, top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste, then hit enter. After that, copy the last command, then paste it. By Ctrl V you can paste directly, then hit enter. Then close this window. After that, your start menu will be resetted. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset Windows 11 start menu. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.